What's he up to now, I hear you asking? Well, energy prices going through the roof. It's time to build a log store. Anyway, we need to chop up a load of wood. We got some power tools from a company, which is very kind of them. This isn't the advert for the power tools. This is just getting some practice in with them, sort of getting some mileage in with them before the review going forwards. But yeah, we've got loads of wood to process, and we need to build a log store somewhere where the wood can stay dry and season, and then in the winter time it will keep the house nice and warm for us, and we won't be using so much gas and electricity. Happy days. So this is some of the wood that we need to store. I've got some pretty big lumps over here that need chopping up, and then I've got another little store of wood over here that needs processing, and some of this wood I need to get from underneath my plant, although this is a very good little storage area underneath one of our plants, and that tends to keep things quite dry. We need to properly sort this out. So what we've got going on here then is the makings, if you like, of a little log shelter. It's going to be quite tall, as you can see from the 3 struts that are standing up there, and there. And the wood was very kindly given to me. So a mate of mine very kindly gave me all of this wood. It's a little bit shabby, but you know what? It's going to do the trick. To stop it from getting messy on the bottom, to stop it from saturating, what I've done is I've put a little bit of pallet wood in there in order to sort of keep things up off the ground so that there's drainage in case water does get in there. Yeah, we're just going to have to try and build this as best we can with the wood that we've got, because it's free. Well, check it out, folks. I've got the 2 sides up, as you can see. So, I mean, you know, it's only a log store, so it doesn't need to be too sturdy, right? It's only going to hold tons of logs. And I've got a cross beam that I'm going to put in across the back there, and then I have this center strut, which is angled in order to hold the roof in place, in order to give that roof a little bit more support. So yeah, we're getting there, we're making some progress. So I put a topping piece on all of the sides here. I've got the center support in here. I've got the cross beam in here as well to give it a bit of structural integrity in high winds. And then yeah, this has all been topped, so now I just need a shiplap. I need to put planks on the top of it, make a little roof. Without a shadow of a doubt, this saw makes big difference doing jobs like this. Well, there we have it, folks. Log store finished. Now we got to finish processing all of this stuff here and get it inside that log store. Happy, happy days. Well, folks, I am absolutely spanked. That was hard work, but well worth it, I'm sure. Look at all those lovely logs, going to keep us nice and warm in the winter. So the stuff on this side is stuff that we need to process, and then the stuff on this side is processed and seasoning. Happy days. And then over in the corner under the tree, we've got pre-seasoned wood ready to go. Oh man, I tell you, I'm absolutely spanked. Well, folks, thanks ever so much for watching. I'm having myself a well-deserved beer after all that hard work. Oof, that was hard work. Back-breaking. Anyway, take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and weekend. Make sure you give us a good old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, peeps. Bye for now.
There's a massive whole city block